In this video, I'll show you how to calculate depreciation in Excel. When you buy a capital asset for your business, you'll probably want to depreciate it over time. This will make your financial statements reflect that the asset is being used up gradually rather than all at once. There are many rules for calculating depreciation: straight line, declining balance, double declining balance, sum of years digits. All these are different methods of calculating depreciation. Depreciation should generally match the rate at which an asset gets used and thus declines in value, and some assets might decline faster than others. Let's see how to calculate depreciation in each of these methods. The straight line method. It is the simplest and most commonly used since the amount is the same each year. It's the initial cost minus the fully depreciated value divided by the number of years. The straight line function thus gets three parameters. Cost is nothing but the cost of the asset. Salvage is the residual value of the asset. And life is how many years we want to depreciate it. The second method is declining balance method. Like straight line depreciation, the declining balance method is a constant amount each year but at a higher rate. To calculate it, the worksheet multiplies the rate by the asset's declining book value. The book value is the initial cost minus accumulated depreciation and is sometimes called the carrying value. Don't confuse the book value with market value, which is how much you can sell the asset for. The formula for calculating depreciation through declining balance method is 1 minus salvage value divided by the cost raised to the power of 1 divided by life. The declining balance function has 5 parameters. The cost, salvage value, and life are the same as straight line method. Period is the period we want to see. Example, if we want to see depreciation for the second year, it comes to 16,356. Say I want it for the first year, I get 20,600. The fifth parameter is month, which is an optional parameter. Presuming we are depreciating over many years, then how many months are there in the first year of depreciation? If we omit it, the function assumes it as 12. The double declining balance method. Out of 5 parameters, 4 are similar to the regular declining balance method. The fifth parameter for the double declining method is rate. The period is here, and the factor or rate, it's an optional parameter. If we don't specify the rate is double, that is 2, but we can set this parameter to any rate that we want. Note, unlike the regular fixed declining balance method, for double declining balance, the number of months in the first year does not matter. Sum of years digits. The sum of years digits method calculates faster depreciation in the early years and slower depreciation in the later years. Let's take an example of an asset that you expect to use for 5 years. In the first year, you add the years digits 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 15. Then you multiply the cost less the salvage by 5 divided by 15, which is 1 by 3. In the second year, you add the remaining digits 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 10. Then you multiply the cost by the salvage by 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. The sum of years function parameters are similar to the previous method: cost, salvage, life, and period.